Supreme Court dismisses Aam Aadmi Party's plea that had sought a deadline for Delhi polls. The Supreme Court puts the ball in the Election Commission's court and says it is their prerogative to decide on the dates. Let's go across to Meenakshi, who joins me over the phone line. Meenakshi, over to you for all the details.
Well, yes, Afrida, this plea has generated a lot of curiosity and debate, but now it has become infructuous. You'll recall the President recently has given his sanction to the dissolution of the Delhi Assembly, and that essentially was the crux of this petition, why the Supreme Court had constituted a constitution bench and was seized of the matter. But now the reason of the plea has become infructuous, and the Supreme Court just moments back has gone ahead and disposed of this plea. And you rightly pointed out, it has clearly stated that insofar as dates of the assembly elections are concerned, it will be the Election Commission of India's prerogative.
Right. Thank you, Meenakshi, for giving us that update. Clearly, the Supreme Court has made it clear that the decision on the dates related to the Delhi polls can only be taken by the Election Commission.
नहीं, पहले तो सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने जो आम आदमी पार्टी की रिट पिटीशन थी उसको डिस्पोज ऑफ कर दिया, और सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने ये भी ऑब्जर्व किया जब आम आदमी पार्टी ने बात रेस की कि इलेक्शन की टाइमिंग कब होगी, क्या होगा, तो हम लोगों ने कहा कि ये सारे प्रश्न आर्टिकल 324 में एक्सक्लूसिवली इलेक्शन कमीशन ऑफ इंडिया के डोमेन में है। इलेक्शन का कंट्रोल, सुपरविजन, सुपरिटेंडेंस वो आर्टिकल 324 के तहत वो इलेक्शन कमीशन ऑफ इंडिया में वेस्टेड है, और सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने भी कई बार अपने कई कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन बेंच के जजमेंट्स में भी इस बात को अपहोल्ड किया है। तो हमारे जो प्रपोजिशन है, जो हमारे जो आर्गूमेंट है इस पॉइंट पे, उससे एग्री करते हुए सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने भी इस प्रश्न में इंटरफेयर नहीं किया, और सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने कहा कि ये सब इलेक्शन कमीशन ही डिसाइड करेगा। और जहां तक इस रिट पिटीशन का बात है, इसको सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने डिस्पोज ऑफ कर दिया, और ये भी एक संतोष की बात है कि भारतीय जनता पार्टी का स्टैंड जो है शुरू से इसमें एक बहुत ही क्लियर और कंसिस्टेंट स्टैंड था, जो ये था कि जब भी हमें एलजी बुलाते हैं उस समय की राजनीतिक परिस्थितियों को ध्यान में रखते हुए जो हमारी पार्टी है वो इस पे एक स्ट्रक्चर्ड व्यू लेगी और फिर एलजी के साथ भी शेयर करेगी और सभी के साथ शेयर करेगी। और जैसा आप लोगों ने देखा होगा कि जब एलजी ने हमें बुलाया 3 नवंबर को, तो इमीडिएटली उसी दिन हम लोगों ने इस बात को एलजी महोदय को बताया कि हम सरकार बनाने में हमारी रुचि नहीं है।
Well, there you heard it, senior lawyer for the BJP stating that it is a sort of indication for his party that the Supreme Court has now said the dates for the Delhi polls to be decided by the Election Commission. Meenakshi is still with us. Meenakshi, coming to you, even though the Aam Aadmi Party had appealed to the Supreme Court to set a deadline, there is a one-year period, isn't it, within which the Delhi elections have to be held?
Well, Afrida, that's an interesting question, because that is exactly the argument which was put forth by the government before the Supreme Court. Remember, why we were seeing this matter in the Supreme Court was because Aam Aadmi Party was alleging inaction on part of the government. It said that the government was not serious about conducting polls in Delhi. On the other hand, we had seen the government come out with different responses from time to time. But clearly, in the last date of hearing, what we saw was the government put forth an argument before the Supreme Court that in the backdrop of President now being involved in the matter, it was an executive decision which was being taken, and the President could not be hastened to say that he has to arrive at his conclusion soon. That was essentially the crux of the argument that the government had presented before the Supreme Court, right, and that the court could not get involved in this matter. But now, all of the reasons by way of the plea has been taken away, because clearly the dates are the only thing that need to be concluded, and the President has gone ahead and given his consent to the dissolution of Delhi Assembly.